Take a breath. Let the surface noise fade away. It's time to wake up. Life isn't just a clock ticking by. It's not a race, it's not a hollow cry. You've been drifting on the edge, on the outer line, but the truth is waiting where the soul defines. It's not the surface, it's not the skin, it's the silent power that lives within. Sober up, the dream is over. Sober up, the game is through. Enough time has slipped through your fingers. Now it's time to find the real you. Reach for the center, leave the edge behind. Peace is the only treasure you need to find. You're chasing the paper, you're playing the part, but money is a shadow that can't fill a heart. Looking at your neighbor, feeling